Good morning, guys, from the Pop Century. We are putting on our new little bands for Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're staying in the Savanna View because our parents surprised us, and we're about to leave. So let's go. So to get to Animal Kingdom Lodge, you can't take any of your luggage on the Disney transportation buses, and the hotels can transport your luggage for you, but it takes about 3 to 4 hours to do. So we're taking a minivan, and you just use the Lyft app and put in your stuff, and it's really easy. So we're going to show you what it looks like to take a minivan to another hotel. Here it comes, our minivan. Oh, and it's here.
The Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo house. Thank you so much for using our minivan service today.
Thank you, we appreciate you.
My pleasure. Have a magical day and may the mouse be with you.
Guys, can we just take a minute and... Wow. We're in Animal Kingdom Lodge.
I know, it's beautiful.
And look how nice it is here. So we just got our room. There was one available on the main floor. And
shout out to Gregory.
Yeah, shout out to Gregory. Oh, ice water. How nice.
With oranges and limes in it.
It's in the Savanna View. We're in the Zebra building. So it's kind of far down from the lobby, but it's on the main floor, which is what we wanted. Here we go. So you walk in. This is the little closet area. Gosh, it's huge, guys. Wow. And then you turn this way, and here's the bathroom, which is beautiful. You have double sinks, this huge mirror. Look at this wallpaper. It is so cool. And we're in the Zebra building, by the way. Don't know if I said that. Here's the bathroom. The shower tile is so nice. And a good shower head. Something that is essential. And the shower curtain is so pretty, guys. Look at that. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Lots of room for activities. There you go. And then here is the beds. Right here, I think, is the fridge. Yep. We have the fridge here. You have a coffee maker, Joffrey's coffee, ice bucket, some decorations that are beautiful. Here's the TV here with some good amount of storage. And we have 2 beds, bed here, with cute little netting behind the bed. It looks really nice. And let's try out the beds. Oh, they're soft, 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 guys. Wow. Mackenzie Beds has approved. Pillows are extra soft. Here's a little sitting area right here. This table is just absolutely beautiful. And another beautiful mirror. Eek. And then here is the best part. Our balcony. It's got some chairs out here.
We found some weird birds.
And look, this is our view of the Savannah. And there's some zebras.
Those are some yellow crown storks.
Those are the famed yellow crown storks.
Oh.
And then we don't know what these birds are over here.
Yeah.
By these trees.
But guys,
very weird.
They look like carnivorous birds.
look at that. So if you look way up there with that little, I'll zoom in. Right there, that's the main lobby area. So we're kind of far down from it, but I think it's good because we get more Savannah, like more open Savannah views. And we're right by the watering hole. I think that means something good.
Yeah.
Animal Kingdom Lodge, must stay at. It's a must stay. We've been here for 10 minutes, and it's a must stay.